When I tried to play the GTA Vice City, my mouse is not working. To fix this problem, just close the game. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option and wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, select the download now option and check my video description for this another mod link. Select the download option. Wait for this 20 seconds. Select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. And go back to WinRAR. Just drag and drop this DLL file inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. In same way, go back and open this cell and patch. Just drag and drop these three files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And now just to close stuff here and launch the game. And now the mouse started working, as you can see. You can enjoy the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.